Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 208. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. For this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. And to finish off this box, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.